Chiang Mai. 3 planes, no internet. O2 fucked me once again, but that story's for another time. So it's just me, cheap food, and a laptop. I trained, I edited, I ate clean. I trained, I edited, I ate clean. I tried to sell, ate shit, tried to keep up, and then I thought, fuck it, let's go on an adventure. The jungle it is, £80, no idea, and yeah, went in blind. Elephant, spiders, smoked jungle tobacco inside a banana leaf. That trip changed everything. I came back, I read more, I worked quiet, and then I packed and caught a train to Bangkok. I continued to eat healthy, lean down, and save money by doing home workouts. Made a friend, went out, bought a Rolex, and stuck for a back door. That turned out to be our first night out in Bangkok. Continued to do sales education, 40 plus hours a week trying to record and edit, and something wasn't sitting right. I met up with my friend, made a new friend, smoked some cigars, ate some food, and we continued to explore Bangkok. Before I knew it, I had to wake up, pack our bags, drink some coffee, and go to the next hostel because I was a day short. More trading, more editing, and now we fly to Vietnam. Plan was 3 months in Da Nang. All we had was a kettle and a microwave, but this time round I bought myself a cooker. Try not to set the fire alarm off, eating cheap, staying lean, and working hard. I joined the gym, started boxing, made a friend, and we went out. That night we decided to go for a tattoo, but everything was closed. 3 days later, I had this bad boy tattooed on me. Impulsive decision, like most of my ones I make these days. I decided to go and have my teeth sorted. 4 fillings, teeth whitened, and yeah. More reflecting, more trading, and something was still missing. I started a 2-day fast, and then it hit me. Never seen it so clear in my life. Edge and order, so fuck it, I'd have it tattooed on my hands. While I was there, I had more tattoos, and yeah, made the most of what I had. This is where it stopped. No uploads, no vlogs, no nothing, just me in pure silence. I gave my stuff away, bought a rucksack, and the next 3 weeks we just hostel jumped. No limitations on the south, make as many friends as possible, spend as much as possible, and then eat and drink like a fucking king. And yeah, this is what happened. Made a friend, went to Train Street, that was incredible to see. Drank more alcohol, made another friend, and we went out on a piss. Not getting back till 7 o'clock in the morning, not even knowing how we got back, was insane. In Vietnam, there's no rules, everything goes, it was incredible. Day in and day out, we drank, we woke up, we drank, we partied, we enjoyed it. Fuck yeah, man, this is a crazy experience. Went on a coffee making day, that was fantastic. Jumped on a cruise, spent 2 days with a load of new friends. We kayaked, we sung, we drank, we ate. Brilliant. After that, we jumped on the back of a moped, travelled 8 hours, north of Vietnam, and we spent 4 days, 3 nights on the back of a bike. Travelling around, it was insane. So much happy water drank, so many more beers, and we continued to eat like kings. 4 days of rain, I enjoyed every second of it. From that, we checked the cave out, it turned out to be the biggest fucking thing I've ever seen in my life. And yeah, that was insane. We left from there, jumped on a bus, travelled 6 hours, and we ended up in Sapa. 2 days worth of trekking, seeing the locals, and then from that we headed back to Hanoi, another 6 hours worth of driving. From that we packed our bags, got an extra night in Hanoi, visited the first egg coffee shop, and went on one last tour. Met a MILF, spent the day with her, and then that was it, packing our bags back to the UK.